Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you're all having a good day. After the vacation started, we wanted to visit a beach. This time we went to Marassi beach here. In this video, I would like to share some snaps of the beach and the snacks that I had prepared for the outing. We started by around 3 o'clock and reached back in the evening, so I made cold coffee and a couple of snacks. In case the chilies are spicy, deseed it. Mine was very mildly spiced. Into the bowl goes half a cup of besan or gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, half a teaspoon of salt or as required, 1 or 2 pinches of turmeric powder, a quarter teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 by 8 of a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste can also be added. Mix all the ingredients well and make a thick batter. This is the consistency of the batter that we need for medium crust bhajis. If you want very thick crust, reduce the water. Coat the chilies evenly with the batter on all sides and cook it in medium to low flame, turning the sides until it is completely cooked. Let's make a vegan mayonnaise this time. Into the blender goes quarter cup of cashew nuts, 2 pods of garlic and pepper powder as per your spice preference. Here I have added a quarter tablespoon of it, along with a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now blend this into a thick smooth paste by adding a few tablespoons of water. I made a simple vegetable sandwich with cucumber, tomato and slices of green chilies. In my home, everybody likes if the brown crust is removed from the bread, so doing it for all the breads. Now, we will first spread mayonnaise on both slices of the bread and then layer it with tomato, cucumber and green chilies. Now we will make some cold coffee. I have already uploaded a short video on how to make cold coffee. For 1 cup of cold coffee, into the blender goes 1 to 2 teaspoons of instant coffee powder, followed by sugar as required and 1 cup of milk. Blend it really well, add lots of ice and your cold coffee is ready. Here I am also attaching a few videos that I took. This This is a paid beach and they provide all facilities like change rooms, bathrooms and the like. So our weekend was spent well. Near this beach, there was a mall which has Helwasi Ali ice cream shop in there. So we just thought of trying that. This has one layer of ice cream followed by one layer of Turkish halwa. They have a few flavors of halwa. You can choose whatever you like along with crushed peanuts and sauce. This is a different ice cream experience worth a try. Hope you like this video. See you soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.